Mikey is here. I'm at the Villas de Uvas in Cozumel. And Gene, you want to tell us a little bit about the villas?
Yeah, Mike, first of all, nice to meet you. John Paul Orlando, call me JP. We are located on the south side of the island, and we offer villa, which accommodates up to 14 guests. So it has 5 bedrooms.
Right.
It's got a private pool, private parking, private rooftop. Then we also have our condo building, which is literally right next door on the same piece of land. 3 separate condos. Each condo has its own complete floor, so very private. It's almost like a small house. Also, private pool, private rooftop. Beach access is right across the street, so as you can see in this photo right here, you literally walk out of your front door a few hundred feet and you're in the water. We also have 5 dive boats, so to accommodate different group sizes. And we can have our guests get picked up right up in front of the house or the villa. The villa or the condos, excuse me. So that way,
right across the street from them?
That is correct. So you don't have to take a taxi, you don't have to get an Uber or anything like that, or even rent a car. You got everything you need under one roof. Delivery service, we have chef service. So anything you guys need in Cozumel, we got it for you.
Okay, and so if they want more information, they can go to Villas Uvas.
That is correct. Our website is villalasuvas.com.
You said it better than I.
Yep, so Villa Las Uvas, and our Facebook is Villa Las Uvas and Villa Las Uvas 2, and Instagram is @Villa Las Uvas.
Muy bien, gracias.
Thank you. Thank you.